Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin as the teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take a computer class for classroom. Today is computer class for class 4 and today's topic is chapter 10 and 11 reading done, and this is lecture number 8. There will be no homework today. Okay dear students, let's look at chapter 10 first. Chapter 10 is more logo commands. In chapter 9 you were acquainted with logo commands, and in chapter 10 you will see more logo commands. So at first see the repeat command. So how does this work? Look here. These are the instructions or commands to draw a square. See, forward 50, right 90, and this is repeated 4 times. So if this instructions is written 4 times, you'll get a square. But you have to use the repeat command if you want to do it in short. So let's see how the repeat command works. You can just write repeat 4, then forward 50, right 90, instead of writing it 4 times again and again. You can use the repeat command to do it in short. So the repeat command lets you do the work in short. You don't have to write it again and again. You just need to use the repeat command and specify the number, how many times to repeat a specific command, and keep it within third brackets. Okay, there can be many other commands, but we will not discuss all of them in detail. Let's just see in short what more commands are there in logo. The repeat command reduces the number of commands which is used to draw a figure. You just saw an example of that. Then hide turtle, or in short HD, this removes the turtle from the screen. So if you give the command hide turtle, it will hide the turtle from the screen. Next, show turtle. Show turtle is used to bring the turtle back to the screen. So hide turtle hides the turtle and show turtle shows the turtle again. Next, pen up. The pen up commands moves the turtle without leaving any mark on the screen. So if you don't want to make any mark, you can use the pen up command. Then pen down command. This makes the turtle start drawing again on the screen. So pen up will make the turtle not make any mark, and pen down will make it draw marks again. Then pen erase. It puts the turtle in erase mode. It keeps erasing until you command it to come back to pen mode. So with pen erase you can put the turtle in erase mode, and then you can erase things with the turtle. Next, clear screen. Clear screen is used to clear the screen. So if you put in this command, the screen will be cleared. Next, set PC or set picture color. This is the color of the turtle pen. Next, set pen size. This is the thickness of the turtle pen tip. So these were some more commands that you can use to do different things inside logo. Next, we will move to chapter 11. In chapter 11 we have arithmetic in logo. This chapter will show how you can do arithmetic in logo. So you can not just draw in logo, but you can also do arithmetic in logo. You have learned that a computer helps to perform calculations very fast. In logo also you can use the computer for calculations. Let us see how. At first, the print command. After starting logo, tag the following commands in command input box. So see, number 1, print 45 plus 170. So you can use the print command to do this addition. Then press enter. The screen displays the answer 215. Number 2, print 39 minus 19 and press enter. The screen displays the answer 20. So you are using the print command and then you are doing addition or subtraction and the result will show. Number 3, print 125 by 5. And press enter. The screen displays the answer 25. So division is being performed here. Number 4, print 15 into 5 and press enter. The screen displays the answer 75. So multiplication is done here. You can see that the print command instructs the computer to show the answer on the screen. The print command can be written as PR. Note, this command is also used to print any text. You will learn about it as you work with logo. So let's see the next portion, the sum and product commands. When two numbers are added, the result is called the sum of the numbers. Type the following command and press enter. PR sum 45 170. The logo screen displays the answer 215. So even if you don't use the plus sign, if you use the sum command, it does the addition for you. Here, instead of giving a plus sign, you have given the command sum. The computer understands that this means that the numbers following the command have to be added. Notice that a space is left between the two numbers to be added. Let's go to the next page. When you multiply two numbers, the answer is called the product of the numbers. Type the following command and press enter. PR product 7 7. So if you want to multiply, you can use the command product. The computer multiplies the numbers and displays the answer 49 on the logo screen. So here, multiplication of two sevens have been done. Next, the quotient command. When you divide two numbers, the answer is called the quotient of the numbers. Type the following command and press enter. PR quotient 75 5. The computer divides the first number by the second number and displays the answer 15 on the logo screen. So if you use the quotient command, you can perform division. Write the difference and remainder command yourself and see how it works. So you can use the difference and remainder command as well to find out those values. So next, see in short what commands were learned in this chapter. Print or PR in short. This displays numbers or text on the screen. Then sum, it adds the given numbers. Difference, it subtracts the given numbers. Product multiplies the given numbers. And quotient divides the given numbers. Okay dear students, this was today's class. Please read the chapters by yourself again. See you in next class. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.